Absolutely perfect, delicious, very light, as well as nutritious for you. Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today I'm actually sharing with you my wonderful refreshing watermelon smoothie. This watermelon is absolutely sweet. I use about a cup of this fresh watermelon. This is quick and simple and it's very low in calories. I'm using some fresh mint. It smells delicious. So this is about 8 very tiny mint. I'm using pineapple in this recipe. This is 1 cup of frozen pineapple. Strawberries go very well in this recipe. These are kind of small to medium. Some are small, a couple of them are medium. This is about 8 frozen strawberries. I have some ice here. I try to get some extra protein and I like the flavor of peanut butter, so I'll get a half a tablespoon of peanut. Vanilla extract, half a teaspoon. My 5 spice, I'll leave the recipe down below. Some pomegranate juice, not much, 2 tablespoons. And then you guys know how much I love my spinach in the smoothies. 2 cups only have 14 calories. I have a smoothie feature, so I like to use that to start, and then after I do that, I puree the rest of the way. It's just about done. So I did 1 cycle of the smoothie program and 1 cycle of the puree, but that again depends on the type of blender that you have. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. My left, your right. Your thumbs up to this video is very much appreciated. Until next time, happy cooking!